In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record an invoice payment and mark it as paid. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to enter the details so the payment shows up correctly on your list. Start on your dashboard and look to the left sidebar. Find and click Payments. This area is your central place for tracking money coming in and out, and it's where we'll add the payment. If you don't see payments right away, scroll the sidebar. It's usually grouped with billing or accounting options. Once you're in Payments, make sure you're on the Invoice Payments tab. Some systems have multiple tabs, like vendor payments, refunds, or credit notes, so double-check you're specifically viewing invoice payments. Being on the right tab ensures the payment attaches to a customer invoice and updates its status as expected. Next, look for the green plus button located beside all invoice payments and click it. This button opens the form you'll use to add a new payment. If you have any filters applied, don't worry. The plus button still creates a fresh entry. In the form that opens, select Invoice. This tells the system you're recording a payment against a specific customer invoice rather than logging a generic receipt or another payment type. If there's a dropdown, choose the invoice you're paying, or enter the invoice reference if the search box is available. Now enter the payment details. Add the payment date. Use the actual date funds were received. Enter the amount. If it's a partial payment, type the exact partial amount, and the system will keep the remaining balance open. Choose the payment method, such as bank transfer, cash, or card, and fill in any reference or check number if you have one, along with notes that will help you or your team later. Make sure the currency and amount match the invoice, and that any fees or discounts are handled according to your organization's process. Before moving on, quickly compare the amount to the outstanding balance so the invoice status updates correctly. When everything looks right, click Save. Give it a moment to process. You should see a confirmation and return to the Invoice Payments view. Your result should now be visible. The payment will appear in the list as paid. If you don't see it right away, clear filters or refresh the page. You can open the entry to review the details and confirm that the associated invoice reflects the updated status. That's all there is to it. Simple, accurate, and ready for your records.